Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you quickly find your YouTube channel ID on your mobile. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So all you have to do is go over to your browser here and make sure you are signed into your YouTube account or Google account here on the desktop site. And once you are here, you just have to go over and press the three dots here. You just have to tap on desktop site. And once you are here, all you have to do is go over and press your profile picture on the right side and go over until you see settings here, and you should see here advanced settings. And as you can see here, you can now see your user ID, channel ID, and you can also move and delete channel here. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.